as Mrs. Claus. Welcome to my Advents Calendar series. Today is December 19th. Alright, for today's craft we will use our iridescent ornament balls, and I got inspired by those cute little pom-poms in red. As you can see, I already took the tops off my little thingies, and I've got some stars. So what I'm envisioning today is that I will shove the pom-poms in here, all kinds of different sizes that fit. Let's see, this one is probably too big. Is it? Yeah, I don't want to break it. So I'll get some pom-poms in there. I don't even want to fill it all the way up, just like halfway. That looks good. And then I just want to add a star. Like that. Or multiple stars. How about 3 stars? Let's see what that looks like. Oh yes, I do like that. Those stars are actually sticking pretty good, because I was going to move this one a tiny bit. This had a pretty good grip on it. Oh god, yes. Is that not the cutest? I mean, it is so simple, but I really, really like it. I don't want to put any more of the pom-poms in right now, because I'm not sure how much I have for the others. So let me add pom-poms to the others first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm trying to get a little bit different sizes. 8, 9, 10, 11, just to see how many it takes. 12, 13, 14. I like that. I like that it's almost full. Let's try this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Oh yeah, I can definitely put more in here. I still have plenty of pom-poms left. I just wanted to make sure I got kind of the same amount. Actually, I have enough to completely fill this up. That's what I'm gonna do. Stick it all in there. I think I can get in 2 more. Oh god, yes. I know I get excited about crafts. I really do. Oh, look at how pretty full that is. One more big one. There we go. I want a little bit more in here. Ta-ta. Oh, that one was connected. And now we add our stars. Was that like the fastest craft ever or what? And I literally just came up with it on the fly, because I was trying to figure out what else I want to show you guys. Oh my. That is awesome. I like it a lot. It is different. So the memory filled up, the memory card filled up right before I was done, but I was almost done anyway, so I just want to show you real quick. I put the stars on. Look at that. I'm gonna put the tops on. Oops. Bam. And one right here. Bam. Where's my other one? There it is. It was hiding. Bam. Done. I hope you get inspired to just experiment. Like, how simple is this? And it's really, really cute. I absolutely love it. Well, go do some crafts. Make some Christmassy stuff.